Another great feature on the Titan 4000 series is the quick scan tool technology. This feature makes it extremely fast and easy to ensure that your tool's in the right location. Today I'll show you how we enter in a new tool into the library and also how we swap out a whole entire tool set. Let's get to it. So I'm going to take you through the process of associating a sticker that is provided with the purchase of your Titan with the tool. I've applied my sticker to my tool so I have the serial number associated with it. From here I'm going to go to Edit, Scan for the serial number. Just give that a quick scan. You can see here under serial number it's been added. We're going to hit Save and Close, and now that tool's got a serial number associated with it. From here we're going to put this tool in the tool rack. There's also QR codes on the tool rack that come pre-stickered before you buy the machine. Now we're going to go into the tool scan and hit Start, and you can see by the green arrow that it wants us to scan the pocket, and immediately after that we're going to scan the tool. So you can see we got a red X here. That's telling us that that tool has not been assigned to that pocket. We're just going to give it a quick tap, check mark that, hit Accept. Now we're going to show you how we swap out an entire set of tools. Again, we're going to hit Start, start scanning our pockets. I got a new set of tools loaded in the machine. I'll show you how it's done. And you can see I've got X's for each one of those. That's telling us that that tool is not associated with that pocket. So we got pocket 28 with tool 6, 29 with 7, 30 with 8, 31 with 9, 32 with 10, and 33 with 11. Once I turn all these green and accept them, I'll show you quickly in the tool library. Now we can see tool 6 through tool 11 has got pockets 28 through 33 associated with it. That easy. I just showed you how to do a tool swap. Now we're going to swap those tools back and show you how to verify that those tools have been put in the right spot. This comes in really handy if you've got two shifts. That second shift wants to come in, start their shift, and just quick scan the tools to verify they're in the right spot. And this is how you do it. I've intentionally swapped two of the positions just to show you an example of how beneficial this is with this tool scan technology. Okay, we've got all the tools scanned back into their pockets. I want you to pay attention to tool pocket number 29 and 30. We intentionally swapped those tools. Normally this would be a huge no-no because when you hit Start it's going to run those tools backwards. But now once I select these, I turn them green and accept that, the machine doesn't care where the tool is. It's going to automatically pick up the tool in the right order even though they're in the wrong pocket. Well, there you have it. Here's another great example of why the Titan 4000 series makes it easy to manage that tool library and why the Titan is the easiest CNC router to operate in the industry.